know it's been a good minute since we have, like, it's been crazy. Work's been hectic. You know, the whole deal with this whole dumb kung flu that's going on around. But we're back here with a new gun review. Well, not terribly new, but we're checking out the Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. I just picked this up not that long ago. It's been about a month. Picked it up locally for a decent price for a new $650. A really good place that just started actually selling guns right locally near me. Awesome people. But let's go ahead and take a look here. Now, I did do some modifications, so it's not totally like brand new unboxing. Did get a good price on a Romeo 0. Also, I'm gonna tell you guys how to actually fit that on, because all over the internet it is very hard to find what screws you need, and the plate that you actually need. It does come with a plate that fits, but the screws and the length of screws, you don't receive from Sig Sauer. People say that it was done on purpose, but who actually really knows? So I'll let you guys know towards kind of like the middle of the video of how I got that on there. But let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so you already guys know basically what details of the Glock, what comes with it. You have 2 magazines. Basically with this one I put a Zev Industries mag extension on it. Really nice, works very good. Obviously your usual back straps right there. Clean rod, brush. I did put a was it a Olight Valkyrie or the PL Mini 2. A really good deal. They were having like 50% off or 30% off or whatever it was a few months ago, so I picked up a couple. Works really good, super bright. I love how it's magnetically charged. You just slap the charger on there, it sticks to right there, and starts charging. There's the Sig Romeo 0, which I just put on there not that long ago. Let's go ahead and safety check it. Right. Guys, see, there's nothing in there. And then I'll show you here in its motion sense. So as soon as you pick up the firearm, it turns on. Now it's not code witnessing, but we're gonna change out the sights right here. The Glock sights are okay. They're not really high vis or anything, but we're gonna change that out here soon. Also, there's I believe there's a few changes that were made. Basically they changed out the slide release. It's ambidextrous slide release on both sides. Also the finger groove. People really didn't like the finger grooves. Let us know if you guys really like it. I didn't give 2 craps about it, honestly. It's just really unnecessary. There's no need for it. The texturing is still, it's pretty aggressive, even though it doesn't look like it's that aggressive, but it is. You could get a good hold on it, super solid hold. It's not gonna slip, especially with wearing gloves. It's the nDLC finish. It's supposed to be tougher, more durable, and it's on both sides of the barrel. I heard this. Or not the barrel, the slide. I haven't heard anything negative. I did get a holster, and I'll tell you what holster I got in a second here, that fits the optic up top, and also the Olight. Super great holster. Actually very affordable. And also so is the Ambidextrous Slide Stop Lever. Flared Magwell, as you can see here, and that's a nice touch. It's not too flared up. Obviously you could buy aftermarket parts for that to get a bigger flare, especially if you're doing like IDPA and other competition shooting. That might be nice. Also, it does come with mounting plates with it. That would be a lot easier, and it comes with a bunch of them, so we'll get to that in just a second here. But the barrel, Glock says it's Marksman barrel. Feature new rifling for improved accuracy. Let me tell you, I took this out, put probably 2 or 3 magazines, obviously, didn't put too many, you know, this whole crazy prices on ammo. By the way, I want to let you guys know, fuck, cheaper than dirt. They're ripping people off on purpose, and they know they can get away with it. So fuck them. But other than that, beautiful pistol. You know, I wasn't too big of a Glock guy, but I saw it, and you know, I was like, what the heck? Why don't we go ahead and purchase this? So, as you can tell, the slide is definitely different. It has more of a shinier finish to it. It's really nice. Cool thing I like about the RMR is you can charge it with the RMR right there. It doesn't hurt at all. They're super solid. Plus, SIG has a really freaking outstanding warranty. Really good warranty. Kind of like the Vortec warranty that they don't really ask questions. If you damage it, no matter what, they'll replace it. Also, takedown levers are the same. You guys already seen plenty of YouTube videos about how to take down a Glock. It's all the same, no matter what. But 400 lumen light, super bright. A really good setup. Like I said, got a super good deal with it. The trigger is the same. I mean, nothing too crazy. Still a Glock trigger, better than a lot more stock triggers out there, but also not the greatest. So good break. And brakes right there. Solid reset. Not too bad at all. So I bought this for $650. I've seen other places selling it for $730, $740. That is ridiculous. Don't pay those type of prices. It's not worth it. Just wait around. But that's freaking ridiculous. I would never pay $720, $730 for a Glock. So I did have to get these screws. Now I went to a local hardware store. I ended up paying, I don't know, like $1 or something. But basically what ended up happening is the SIG Romeo 0 comes with two types of screws. The first one is M3, the second one is M4. On the Glock, you need the M4 style, but the only thing is that it's still pretty long from the plate. So what I did is, by the way, I got this used for only $100, the RMR. It only came with the M3, didn't come with the M4, so I went to a local a parts store locally, and I got it was a 0.75, let me go ahead and try to pull that, 0.75 by 8. And then what I did is the screws are just a bit long. I got a Dremel tool and dremeled off just a little bit, and it fits perfectly, absolutely perfectly, no issues with that. So if you guys are looking to get a Glock and at the MOS and want to put an RMR, and you happen to find a Romeo 0 for a really good price, definitely take a look. Make sure that you do get the right type of screws. Make sure you go to the hardware store and get those type of screws, and all you gotta do is just file it down a little bit, and then it'll set perfectly fine. All right, so the barrel length is 4.2 inches. It looks like the weight of this when loaded with a full magazine is 29.98 ounces. Also with a empty magazine, with the magazine inside the firearm, it's 23.81 inches. So actually not that heavy at all. You know, everything else same. The Glock safety trigger, or the safety mechanism inside the trigger, everything else same. They haven't done anything crazy with the trigger at all. Same amount of pull. It's just supposedly it's just slightly better than the previous generation. I'm curious of what they're going to do next. I mean, they haven't done really much changes. I mean, obviously you see serrations, but that was also, you could have bought a Glock from a Gen 4 with forward serrations too, like the FS model. Also, the holster that I'll be showing you guys is the Fierce Defender. I found it, I believe I had a gift card for Amazon, and I was just curiously looking, but this thing is perfect. So it is already molded for the Olight, the Valkyrie, the PL1, or the PL Mini. It goes right in perfectly fine, snug, and the great thing is, it doesn't even touch the armor, or the optic. Sorry, not the armor. It doesn't even touch the SIG 0 at all. I know they have cuts. If you go to Fierce Defenders, their website, they have molds for a particular optics, including the Trijicon RMR. They have different molds to fit the particular model you want to fit. This one, the Fierce Defender, not bad at all. I think it was like $50. And then the Olight, it was on sale. I think about $50 or $60. I bought it on sale when they were having that Olight sale. Really good, super comfortable. I really do like this holster. It's very, very comfortable. It fits perfectly right. As you can see, good retentions built into the holster. Also, you can move this barrel around to fit how you want it to, especially if you're carrying a appendix carry or through o'clock. It all depends on which one, but super comfortable. As you can tell, there's a ton of Glock videos out there, but we really do appreciate you guys hanging out with us. Thank you so much for coming along with this smaller review here. We'll be doing more reviews. Like I just picked up just a fun varmint gun on the 17 HMR. It's a Savage Access, I believe it's the Access, or no, it's not the Access. I'm sorry, it's a 93R17, but with the Accu trigger. And they also come with a scope now, so that's pretty cool. But I got a combo. We're gonna be testing that out. Hopefully we'll be hitting the range here in a bit. But I really do appreciate you guys hanging along with us. We appreciate you taking a look at the Glock 19 MOS. Thank you so much for following along. We'll be coming out with way more videos, and just follow along. Hit subscribe, go ahead and hit the ding dong, and we appreciate it, and hope to see you guys next time.